Oh, it's closed. Hi, it's Nancy. Today I found an otter slide, or an otter trail. You see this groove down there? This is the way the otters have gone. And then they came back this way. See, they went along there, and then they went along there. And you see there's a 3-foot spot, which is what it looks like when they make their, oh, there's ice in there. Cool. Okay, my snowshoes will hold me up very well. So this groove here, hope you can see it. Now there's a place there, see that? Now that's an otter footprint. Well, or something. Anyway, it goes up into there. I hope you can see it. I don't want to step on it. So now we should be able to come up here somewhere. Oh, I gotta put my hat back on. See the shape of that track? Anyway, these tracks, let me get you back so you can focus properly. See that track right there? And here? See the shape of the foot? Anyway, this is from an otter. They make a circuit. They go for about a week and a half. I can't follow him exactly or else I'll mess up his path. There's his path over there. Let's see where he went with it. And his other path went over there. He went to the upper stream that direction. He didn't come over this way at all. And this is Ben's Bridge. So, let's see where he went into the water. Over here. Yeah, he went in right here. He went down there. Can you see it? Oh, he went twice. There's one way he went down, and he went down there too. Otters love to slip and slide. Let's see if he went in anywhere else. So go around and around and play. So go in and out, in and out. And that's not one. This is where the deer have gone down to drink. See, this is Ben's Bridge. There's a little island there. There's a chair there, and there should be a chair in here somewhere. That's over there. It's the brown chair. It's the wooden chair. I didn't know that was so close here to Ben's Island. Now, when the otters come along, they go to the bathroom in the same place every time they come. So there'll be this little pile, a buildup of scat. See, I wouldn't want to walk on that side. So it looks like it could be overhanging a bit. So we'll turn around and go back the way we came. No, we won't. We're gonna go see where he went. And don't worry, I won't get lost. Can't get lost because I'll follow his tracks. I got 2 cameras going the same way. So if you feel like you've seen this before, guess what? You have. Okay, so there's the tracks. Get a clear view of them from this direction. How come you don't have a clear view? What's going on with your camera? With your face there. See, that's the otter track. I'd say it's about 2.5 inches wide, maybe 3. About 2 inches long. Here's another one. Okay, so we're going to cross his path here. See, he comes down here. He's right beside us. Ah! Oh, that snow went right into my neck. Okay, and then this is where he went. He went up here and through there. I can't go that way. Look, here's the other path where he went. So there's twice. There must be something right over there he likes. So he went there twice. In fact, it looks like the paths merge. Let's go around the back and see what's back there. And they usually go to the bathroom right by the side of the water. Or something. Right by the side of their path. See? Then where does it go? So it goes right up there. Oh, and then it goes along there. And back in through there. Now how are we going to get through there? We can't go that way. And I don't think we can go this way. Let's see how far we can go this way. As long as there's grass growing, there's not water there. This is an open area. Oh, look. There's this pathway. See it under there? This little tunnel. And where does it come out? Look, it comes out right here. It goes right over there. All the way around there. So do I want to... That's a good old pole for teepee. Look at all these teepee poles. This is where my teepee poles came from. I can't get across there. Can I go around? No. Not really. Not with snowshoes on. Okay, I'm going to turn you off and save the battery. I'll bring you back if anything interesting happens. Bye, it's Nancy today.